Hey everybody, welcome to the Head Startup. On today's video, what I want to do is to take you through step by step on how to register for an Eori number in Ireland. For anybody that doesn't know, an Eori number stands for an Economic Operators Registration and Identification Number. Before I go through the steps of registering for an Eori number, I just want to very briefly explain what it is and why you actually need one. If your business imports or exports goods to or from the EU, then you will need one of these Eori numbers. This number is basically an identification number for customs in the European Union. So let's say you bring in goods from China into Ireland. If you have your Eori number on your customs declaration, then customs will be able to quickly identify who the goods at the port actually belong to, and they will be able to process them and charge the right customs to the right people. If you don't have the number, the process can become very long and very costly, because the longer you have your goods stuck in customs, they're going to start charging you storage fees. Now let's go through step by step how to register for one. The first thing that you will need to do is come over to ross.ie. So you will need to be already registered as a business for tax in order to set up your Eori number. So you just log in to your normal Ross account. So I'm just going to log into mine here now. Once you then log in, you go to the My Services section, and then you scroll down until you see the Manage Your Tax Registrations. Just click on that. Then you will see a full list of different taxes that you can register for. So if you scroll down, you will see Customs and Excise. So this is the one you want to go for. So if you start and click the register button here, this will start the process. The first screen it brings up here, it will tell you the registration date, so it will be immediately from the date that you actually fill out this application. And then you want to click here that you plan on importing or exporting goods to or from the EU. Then it will prompt you a question asking you whether you have an Eori number already from a different country, so you can leave that unticked. Then you need to select your Eori number, and this will be the exact same as what your tax reference number or your VAT number is. The next thing you need to tick here is whether you want to consent to publish. So this means your Eori number and your details will be on a public register. When you were dealing with different suppliers and customers, they might want to go onto this register and find your details just to make sure that they are dealing with a legitimate company. So if you want to do that, then you just tick on the box and then hit add to your requests. Your request will then be added to the panel here on the right hand side. As you can see here, I have an open request here. So what you need to do then is actually come down and hit the submit button, and then it will give you a little summary of all the details that you have put in so far, and then you click sign and submit, and then it is just a matter of putting in your password and hitting sign and submit, and then you are ready to go. You can then start using your Eori number on all your customs declarations going forward. So I hope you guys found this video useful. If you enjoyed it, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this in the future. And also, if anybody has any questions, make sure to drop a comment below and I will try and get back to you. Thanks for watching. I'll talk to you guys again soon.